Welcome to our introduction to Q#, Microsoft's pioneering programming language designed specifically for quantum computing. In this session, we will explore what makes Q# unique, its core syntax, and the tools you need to start building quantum algorithms today. Q# is a high-level, domain-specific language created by Microsoft. Unlike general-purpose languages, it focuses entirely on expressing quantum algorithms. It is built to integrate deeply with the net ecosystem, meaning if you know C# or F#, you will feel right at home. It handles the complex task of sending instructions to quantum processors. So why should you choose Q#? First, it is hardware agnostic, meaning your code can run on different quantum computers without rewriting it. Second, it integrates seamlessly with classical code, allowing you to control quantum operations from a standard application. Third, it includes powerful resource estimators to predict costs. And finally, it comes with rich standard libraries to speed up your development. At the heart of quantum programming is the qubit. Unlike a classical bit which is either 0 or 1, a qubit can exist in a state of superposition. This means it can represent a combination of states simultaneously until it is measured. We often visualize this using the block sphere, as shown here. Two other critical concepts are entanglement and measurement. Entanglement occurs when qubits become linked. A change to one instantly affects the other. Measurement is the act of observing a qubit, which forces it to collapse out of superposition and into a definite classical state of 0 or 1. Microsoft provides the Quantum Development Kit, or QDK. It includes essential tools like standard libraries for common math and chemistry functions, local simulators for testing code on your laptop, and resource estimators to help you understand the hardware requirements of your algorithms. Let's look at the syntax. Q# distinguishes between operations, which contain quantum logic and side effects, and functions for classical calculations. Qubits are allocated using the use keyword, and variables are immutable by default, ensuring your quantum state remains predictable. A typical Q# program is structured logically. You begin by declaring a namespace, then open necessary libraries. Your core logic lives in operations, and the execution begins at the entry point. This structure is very similar to a standard net application. You have flexibility in where you write code. Visual Studio Code is the most popular lightweight option. Visual Studio provides a robust, full-featured environment, and Jupyter Notebooks offer an interactive way to learn and experiment with Q# directly in your browser. Q# is the primary language for Azure Quantum. This cloud service allows you to submit your programs to real quantum hardware from providers like IonQ and Quantinuum. It enables a hybrid future where classical and quantum computers work together in the cloud. To recap, Q# is a purpose-built language that brings quantum computing into the familiar net world. It is hardware agnostic, allowing you to write once and run anywhere, and it is designed to scale with the future of quantum hardware. It is the perfect starting point for your quantum journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.